Hi, I'm Jason. Thank you for stopping by my channel. For a long time, I've been creating walkthroughs, tutorials, different videos on solutions within the Apple ecosystem, and having a lot of fun doing it. I was asking myself the other day though, why haven't I included more of the productivity aspect of this? Because what's the point of all this if it's not to help us be more efficient, accomplish more, and achieve our goals? That's why we're doing all this. Otherwise, it's just a technical exercise, which doesn't have a whole lot of meaning in the end by itself. So on my channel, I'm going to start adding more of an emphasis on productivity. How do we get things done with these digital tools that we're using? How do we accomplish more in the right way? But also, how do we have the right mindset? How do we ask the right questions at the right time for what we're trying to accomplish? So having the right mindset, having those right tools in place, and knowing how to use them, that's what this channel is all about. So thanks for stopping by again. I hope you'll subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you on the next one.